Today we have the 2016 Volvo V40. This vehicle has done just under 74,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, web browser, navigation, and my car. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.